Welcome to Rohini's kitchen. So it's really hot where we are, and none of us really like to toil ourselves in the kitchen, right? We don't want to be standing in front of the stove cooking up a storm. So we've got this amazing salad for you. It's got a twist. I don't know how many of you know, but you could make a salad dressing with jam. So I bet I caught you on that. I'm really intrigued when this idea came to me, and I'm hoping that you'll find it interesting and want to try it as well. Alright, so for our peachy wedge salad, we've got iceberg lettuce, of which we're going to make wedges. We've got some nice fresh onions, we've got cherry tomatoes, we've got some nuts. You can use any nut that you like. We've got walnut for the crunch factor, some lemon juice, we've got peaches, we've got some white wine vinegar, some delicious extra virgin olive oil, and of course, what's going to flavor our salad dressing, the peach jam from LVF. Alright, so the first step to this wedge salad is to cut up a peach and put it on a griddle pan and grill it for about 2 minutes, and that's about the amount of time you're going to spend on the gas. So about after a minute, you've got these beautiful grilled marks on the peaches. What this does is it releases the sugar in the fruit, which makes it even more delicious. Our peaches are ready. Look at the gorgeous grill marks on them. We're going to use lemon juice, some white wine vinegar, olive oil because it makes everything absolutely delicious, and now we're going to use the most flavoring agent in this dressing, the peach jam by LVF. It's a peach salad, so we want it to taste nice and peachy. A tad bit of salt to taste, and a little bit of pepper just for a little kick. Whisk it up one last time, and our dressing is ready. We'll chop up the walnut as well, in no shape or form, just so that every bite gets a little bit of crunch from them. So now here comes the fun part. You just, add in all the things that we have, like the cherry tomatoes, throw in a few fresh herbs like basil or parsley, whatever you've got, and now the dressing, and you sort of pour it over your wedges of the iceberg lettuce, and that's your salad. So hit us on our Instagram, Facebook, YouTube pages and let us know how you like this, because I'm absolutely dying to know if you love this peach dressing as much as I do.